Hey everyone, Becki-licious here. Let's try this apple onion pork tenderloin recipe together for the very first time. So I am super excited to try this new recipe, and I really hope you guys stick around to the end to see how it turns out. So we've got our pork tenderloin, and I went ahead and bought one that was already seasoned, so you can do you. And then we're gonna sear it in our pan real quick on all sides. All right, here we go, our first turn. Woohoo! All right, I've got all my sides seared, so now we're going to pull this off for the moment. So we can add in our onion and get it all coated in that yummy oil. Now we're going to throw in our apples and our minced up garlic. And then we're going to let these just soften up a little bit. While we're waiting for these apples and onions to soften up a little bit, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. Now we're going to add in our apple juice. And then we're going to let this come to a simmer, and then it'll be time for our next step. These apples and onions are starting to simmer, so we're going to turn them off and throw them in a baking dish very carefully. We're going to add our pork tenderloin to the top of this, some of those juices on top of this pork, and then we're going to throw this in the oven. It's going to go in a 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes or so. Okay, in the oven we go. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. I just pulled the apples and onion tenderloin out of the oven, and it looks delicious. Okay, dinner is served. And look at how gorgeous this looks. Oh, I am so excited. First, I'm going to try a little bit of the apple. That's yum. Now it's time to try the pork. It's so tender. This tastes absolutely amazing. I love it. I think this was a home run for sure. So remember, if you want the complete recipe, it's in my description. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I really appreciate you guys joining me. I can't wait to see you next time, okay?